because as a content creator, when I invested money into my camera equipment, that's when my business actually started to skyrocket. Hi you guys, welcome back to another Vlogmas episode. Yes, happy holidays you guys. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie, and this is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. I'm not all glammed up or anything, but hair is still laid, okay? Can we take a moment of silence for this hair? It is a 5-day-old install and it is still looking good. It's still giving scalp. I got a new lens for, this channel. I have been deciding for a long time to get another lens for this camera that I'm using right now. This camera that is right here, I am using a Canon Eos R. This has a 50mm lens with a attachment on top of that, maybe costing me almost $4K in total. With all of that, I decided to invest in a 50mm lens first instead of the kit lens, because 50mm in any lens for a camera will have that very blurry background. Like you see how it's very blurry. Let me make it more blurry here. It's even more blurry now, so it gets that real blurry very blurry background and makes the image or the person or the subject very crisp, very high quality camera lens. I am obsessed with it, but I knew that I want more of a wider type of lens, because when I do fashion hauls or something like that, I need to show my whole body. It's impossible to film using this camera like full body, like filming only like from the chest up. So if you're a beauty channel and only focus on the face, this is a perfect lens. Like, I still love this lens, but I decided to buy the kit lens. Usually if you do invest in an EOS R Canon, it comes with a kit lens, but I didn't buy it. I just bought the body and the lens separately, and so I finally caved in and got a whole another lens. But we're gonna open it and see what I got. Tell me why. I'm talking a lot, but anyways, tell me why, girl. I bought this from UPS, by the way. UPS said it was gonna be delivered by 8 p.m. that night. It didn't come until maybe 10, 11, 12, midnight. I don't know, but they threw this over the patio. So when I woke up and I checked, like, did they deliver it? It said it was delivered, and my camera just locked, or it was too much storage. Anyways, back to what I was trying to say. Literally, they delivered it late last night and threw it over the patio fence. So I'm nervous to open this box, okay? I'm very nervous to open it because I'm hoping that this lens is still good. But we're going to open it right now. I'm also have this GoPro. I have another camera facing me. Hey guys, this is my GoPro Hero 9. I use it for my vlogging camera, but I'm gonna just use it as like an unboxing so you guys can see how I'm going to be unboxing it and how it really looks behind the scenes. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna I'm so nervous, you guys. There we go. Oh, snap. We got it. So it is the Canon RF lens at a 35mm f1.8 macro lens. I don't think this is the kit lens, honestly, but we're going to see. Here, I'm gonna show you guys it again, how the box looks, and then we're gonna see how I did buy warranty on it. So I did get the warranty, as you can see. Canon limited warranty. I don't know if you guys can see that. But we're going to change this, or we're going to see. We're going to see. It's bubble wrapped. It's only bubble wrapped. I'm so nervous. I really hope this camera's It almost rolled off the table. Okay. I'm going through it. Ooh, it's much more smaller lens. So this is what the lens looks like. It's much smaller lens. I'm already loving how smaller it is. This is the front and this is the back. So I'll show you the back first and what it looks like in the back. And then I'm gonna show you, oh, let's close the back up before we do anything, okay? Girl, I can't even put this, I don't know what I'm doing right now. Anyways, this is the front of the lens, look at that. I don't know, this lens looks real, I don't know, this is the lens itself. This is what it looks like. So I will be right back. I'm going to switch this lens that you see that I'm filming with this lens and see how I like it. So. Trying to get into focus. I think my focus icon's right here. I could switch it if I need to. Okay. My camera died, y'all. Technical issues trying to show you all this stuff. But I moved the camera back and this is me on the other side and it's more of a wider angle. It's not gonna get my full body, which I guess that's okay. I'm gonna probably try another fashion haul and test this camera out. I still might do vertical because you can't see my feet with this. But I actually really like how this is looking. I like the more wider look. I didn't like it too close. I probably might do like sit down talks doing this type of angle. But overall, I really like it. It was a really good investment and way cheaper than the 50mm lens. This lens alone was like $2,500, $3,000, I don't know. More than a car down payment, okay? This lens right here. But it was so worth it because as a content creator, when I invested money into my camera equipment, that's when my business actually started to skyrocket. So I always like tell y'all, invest in yourself, invest into your business, because you never know that one investment could really skyrocket your career. And I did do another investment and got another camera lens. This lens right here that I just bought, that is the 35mm lens. I think I spent $400, maybe $400 or $500, maybe $450 in that ballpark. I have it on the screen, but yeah, it was worth it in my opinion. And it's way affordable. I think doing this lens and the Canon EOS R is still going to give you the same great quality at a cheaper rate. You'll probably be spending maybe $1,100 to $1,200 on this camera rather than investing in a 50mm lens, which might rack you up $3,000 to $4,000. So it's up to you on how much you want to spend. I'm super happy with my investment that I bought for Cyber Monday, and I hope you guys have a happy holidays. I love you so much. Thank you for spending time with me. You are my family and I love you so, so much. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.